Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to upload receipts in Wave. Attaching receipt improves audit readiness and keeps your records compliant. Let's get into how to do it. First step, navigate to receipts. Now on the dashboard, you're going to click on receipts from the left-hand navigation menu. Step 2, upload a file. Just click the upload a receipt button at the top of the page. You can select one or multiple files. Of course, they have to be in JPG, PNG, or PDF formats. Step 3, let Wave scan the receipt. Wave uses optical character recognition to automatically extract data from your receipts. This includes merchant name, date of purchase, and total amount. Step 4, review the extracted data. Wave will show you a preview. Check if the extracted details match the receipt. If needed, manually correct any mistakes, and if the vendor wasn't recognized, you can type that in. You also want to ensure that the total and the dates match the physical receipt. Step 5, approve the receipt. Click approve to save it. The receipt will be added to your list of transactions either as a new transaction or matched with an existing one if applicable. A bonus tip for you guys, receipt uploaded here can later be matched or attached to transactions under the transactions page. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.